In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a vendor in QuickBooks Online. To get started, open QuickBooks Online and make sure you're on the main dashboard. This is the starting point for most tasks, and from here, you'll be able to navigate directly to the vendor setup area. Once you're inside QuickBooks, look for the expenses and pay bills section in the left-hand navigation menu and click on it. This area is where QuickBooks keeps track of the money going out of your business, including bills, expenses, and the vendors you work with. If you're new to the platform, this section is especially important because it helps keep your records organized from the beginning. After that, click on Vendors, and this will take you to the vendor list where you can view any vendors already saved in your account and add new ones as needed. Keeping your vendor list accurate makes it easier to enter bills, track payments, and stay organized over time. Next, click New Vendor. This opens the vendor information window, which is where you'll enter the details for the new vendor you want to add. QuickBooks organizes this form into several optional sections, so you can include as much or as little information as you currently have. Even though the sections are optional, filling out more details now can save time later and help keep your bookkeeping cleaner. You'll see sections for name and contact, address, tax info, and additional info. In the name and contact section, enter the vendor's basic identifying details and contact information. In the address section, add the vendor's billing or mailing address if needed. The tax info section can be used for any tax-related details you want to store for that vendor. Then, in additional info, you can include any extra details that may help you identify or manage that vendor in the future. As you complete the form, take a moment to review the information for accuracy. Small mistakes in vendor records can create confusion later when entering expenses or preparing reports, so it's a good habit to double check before saving. When everything looks correct, click Save. QuickBooks will create the vendor record and add it to your vendor list, so it's ready to use for future bills, expenses, and payments. And that's all it takes to create a vendor in QuickBooks Online. Once your vendor is saved, you can come back and update the record anytime if more information becomes available.